Hello students, welcome in maths class. Okay, next topic in maths is descending order of numbers. Another name of descending is decreasing order. In decreasing order or descending order, we will start with biggest number, then small, then smaller, then smallest number we will write. Top to bottom we will come. Okay, suppose you are on top, then slowly come at bottom. It's the decreasing order. And in numbers, you can see here three numbers are written here. Okay, first you will write the biggest number, then small number, then smaller, and at the end smallest number from the given set. Okay, another thing, you can use the counting also. You can compare the number also. Comparison you can do. Okay, compare the number. First write biggest number, then second one, then third one number. But if you are feeling difficulty in comparison, then you can use the counting 1 to 10 and easily you can find which one is the biggest number. The biggest number comes last. So the number that comes last, from that number we will start in answer. Now see, three numbers written here, 2, 8 and 9, and counting 1 to 10 is written here, that we can use to solve these sums. Okay, the number that comes last in 1 to 10 counting we will write first. The number that comes second in 1 to 10 counting we will write in second box, and that number that comes first in 1 to 10 counting we will write in the last box. Clear? Okay, we are going to start the counting. 1, 2 is also written here, but in the first box we will write the last number that comes last, because we are doing the decreasing order. Top to bottom we will come. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 also written here also, but we can't start with 8, but because one number is remaining here. 9 comes last. 2 is written here, 8 is written here, but these two number comes first. Which one number comes last? 9. So we will write a 9 in the first box. Okay, again start the counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From 2 and 8, which number comes last? 8. So we will write 8 in the second box. Next, 1, 2. In the last box we will write 2. It's the decreasing order or descending order, top to bottom, biggest to smallest. 9 biggest number, 8 smaller, and 2 smallest number. Clear? Okay, see the second sum. 7, 2, 3. 3 numbers are given here. Okay, first we will write the biggest number. You can compare the numbers also, that is not problem. But if you are feeling difficulty in comparison of numbers, then you can use this counting 1 to 10. Okay? Okay, counting we will start. 1, 2. 2 is also written here, but number that comes first, that is the smallest number. But here we are going to write the biggest number. 3, again small number. 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 comes last, because now no one number is given there. 7 is the last number and comes here also last. So first we will write 7. So it means 7 is the biggest number. Next again we will start counting. 1, 2, 3. 3 comes last here. So we will write 3 here. Again start counting. 1, 2. We will write 2 here. Okay, it's the decreasing order, top to bottom, biggest to smallest number. Biggest number 7, then smaller 3, smallest 2. One thing you will remember, when you will solve these sums, the biggest number will come first, then small number, smaller and smallest. At the end you will write the smallest number. Clear? Okay, see the last sum. 3 digits are written there, 1, 2 and 9. Okay, we are going to start the counting. The number that comes last, that will be the bigger number, and number that will comes first, it means that is the smallest number. And in these sums, we will write the biggest number. 1, 2, 2 is not biggest because it comes first. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 numbers are written here. 1, 2 and 9. And number that comes last, that will come first here. It means 9 will come first here in the first box. After that 9 is written here. We will compare these two numbers 1 and 2, and bigger number we will write here. 1, 2. 2 comes last. In the comparison of 1, 2 we will write here, and 1 we will write here. My dear students, these sums are not difficult. You have to remember one thing, that in descending order or decreasing order, you will compare the numbers, and first you will write biggest number, then small, smaller and smallest number. Biggest to small you will go. Top to bottom. Suppose you are on terrace and using stairs, at the top stair you are, and you will come with stairs at the last stair. Top to bottom you will come. Okay, and you can, if it's easy for you, you can compare the numbers, that is not a problem. Okay, but if you are feeling difficulty, then you can use the counting 1 to 10. In 1 to 10 counting, number that comes first, number that comes last, that will be the biggest number. Okay, that will you will write in the first box, then smaller number, and then the smallest number. You can see here in these 3 sums. In the first sum, 2, 8, 9. 3 digits are given here, and from these 3, biggest number is 9. 9 is written first. Now compare these two numbers, 2 and 8. Which one is the biggest? 8. 8 is written here in second box, and last one is 2 is written here. It's the sequence of a decreasing order, biggest to smallest. See the second one, 7, 2, 3. 3 digits are given here, and see the sequence of decreasing order. First comes biggest number, then smaller, then smallest number. And in the last sum, see 3 digits are given here, 1, 2, 9. Okay, first biggest number is written. After that we will compare these two numbers. Okay, then again bigger number will come. Now no one number is here, so last digit we will write here. I hope this concept, this topic is clear to all of you. Thanks. Have a good day.